Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're on the hunt for affordable fitness gear, you're in the right place. Today, we're breaking down the best treadmills under $200 for 2025. With rising costs everywhere, it's smart to find options that don't break the bank while still delivering solid performance. We'll cover our top picks based on user reviews, features, and value for money, so you can make an informed decision without wasting time. First up is the Sunny Health and Fitness Folding Treadmill. Priced at just around $150, this bad boy is perfect for small spaces. It features a 2.0 HP motor, speeds up to 9 miles per hour, and a foldable design that makes storage a breeze. Pros include its easy assembly and built-in LCD display for tracking calories and distance. On the downside, it might not handle intense runs as well as pricier models, but for walking or light jogging, it's a winner. Next, we have the Proform Carbon T7. Coming in at about $180, this treadmill offers a spacious running surface and Bluetooth connectivity for your favorite workout apps. It has a 2.25 HP motor and adjustable incline levels, which is impressive for the price. Users love the shock-absorbing deck that reduces joint impact, but keep in mind it requires a bit more space when unfolded. If you're into tech-integrated workouts, this one's a solid choice. Don't overlook the NordicTrack T-Series, available for under $200. This model boasts a 2 HP motor, quick speed adjustments, and a tablet holder for streaming classes. It's durable and has received high marks for its quiet operation, making it great for home use. The only con is that it might not fold as compactly as others, so measure your area first. Lastly, the Weslow Cadence G5.9 is a budget steal at $120. It's beginner-friendly with a simple interface, basic speed controls, and a compact build. Ideal for walkers, it includes a water bottle holder and is easy to move around. While it lacks advanced features, it's reliable for daily use and has a decent warranty. In summary, these treadmills prove you don't need to spend a fortune for a good workout. Whether you're tight on space or just starting out, our top picks for 2025 offer great value. Check the description below for links to buy, and remember to consider your fitness goals before purchasing. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more gear reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.